Hello friends, I'm Jubair and come to back to you with and teach you new topics. And if you want to learn on these topics, you can just stay with me. I think you know what I just teach you today because you see my thumbnail. All right, so now I'm going to the directly work and how you can clear your cache. Then I just tap on the settings. Then just you just tap on the general. No, not general. I'm just tap on the storage, iPhone storage. Okay. Okay. If you need to go storage, then you must be tap on the general. Then here in showing the iPhone storage. Here in showing all apps and which apps takes which size. The here in mention. Then I just scroll down. Here in showing many option like system data, iOS, and show else. And if you want to clear your cache, then you can just tap on the system here in showing option and also iOS.